Good morning. So today we are going to make, what do you think we are going to make? I have lots of ribbons here, these two papers. And what are we going to make? Can anyone take a guess? There's this festival coming up, a major one about a brother, sister. Yes, Rakhi. So we are going to make a Rakhi today. So I have chosen a very, very simple way to make a beautiful Rakhi. I have not tried this yet myself. So this is my first attempt. Okay. So let's get started. So all you need is you can choose any type of colors you like. Any colors you like. These are the colors that I already have. Okay. So I've taken the white ribbon, the silver colored one, and they are all of the same size. They are all of the same size. I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. Okay. 1, and then there is very thin one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 of these. Okay, I was not counting. I just took as many as I could. Okay, and these are 8. So you can use less. You can, if you want, you can use more. That's all up to you. I'm just showing you how many I am using. I might use less or I might need more of these. If I'll need more, I'll let you know. If I would use less, I'll let you know. And then you need these two circle papers cut in circular shape, one bigger and one smaller. And now what we are going to do is, on the bigger one, on the bigger circle, I'm going to use glue gun here. So that's why I'm sitting here, because there's a switch right there. So I'm going to use the glue gun. If you have glue gun, you can start using the glue gun, because glue guns are the best, and they don't, move here and there. Like, you have to wait for the Fevicol to dry up and then your Rakhi is ready. But with the glue gun, the thing is, it's instantly ready right there. You've done it, it's there, it's stuck, it won't come off. Okay, so that's the best part about the glue gun. So I'm using glue gun. You can use Fevicol. And advice, if you're using Fevicol, is do not use too much. Okay, if you use too much, it will take longer to dry. So use a proper amount, not even less. If you take less, it might look like it's stuck, but it will take time. It will keep coming off. Okay, so do not use too much, do not use too less. Especially with the younger children, the problem is they feel that if they use a lot of Fevicol, it will quickly dry up. They have this problem. They'll put a lot of Fevicol. Okay, so parents will have to help them there. So let's get started. Let me put the black ribbon and I'll show you how I'm putting it on the bigger circle, the thinner one on the bigger circle. So I would like you to use the same way for this. You can use the colors, any type of colors you like. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here. So I put a glue gun on one side of the paper, glue on one side of the paper, and then I started sticking the black ribbon like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the glue on this side, right here, on this side, yes, here, and then turn them and stick them. And in the end, it will look like a little flower. All right, so let's have a look. So this is how it would look in the end. Okay, so this is why you have to have the equal length, so that when you fold them into half, they all, the petals become, these petals that we have made, they look the same, of the same height, of the same length. Okay, now I'm going to do the same with the silver ones, but I'm going to use a smaller one. Okay, now when I'm sticking, because these are very white, these are broad, so what you have to do is, you have to stick one over the other like this, and then make a circle. I'm putting glue here. and you have to do this till the whole circle is made. Okay, so here it is. It will look like something like this. You can make it more cleaner than me. Okay, and now this will go on the top of this. Okay, so I'm putting some glue here. This will go on the top of this. There. And there you go. It is as big as my hand. Now on the center, what you can do is, I have glitter but I have silver, so it won't show much. What you can do is you can put a button or some other colored glaze paper or something. So I have a red ribbon. I'm going to cut it out and just put it in the center. Okay, just wait. Here it is. Instead of black red ribbon, I have put a red paper because that was easier to cut. And when I tried cutting the ribbon, it came out like this. So I think paper is better. You can put a nice kundan or like some red glitter or something. This is how it will look in the end. Now a string to tie the Rakhi. So I'm using this because my Rakhi is big, so I'm using a big ribbon. So some glue here, and then it goes right in the center. So this is how long my string is, how my ribbon is. Somewhere here I'm going to put the Rakhi. So let's just do that quickly. That much. Done. So for a minute or something, you don't move it. Like for a few seconds actually, not exactly a minute. And then your Rakhi is done. And also, when you're using glue gun, you have to be careful that you don't burn yourself because the glue is hot. It's actually this rod that you put in the refill and it starts melting because the glue gun heats itself up right here. So here we go. The Rakhi is done. It looks beautiful, no? Right? Let me just tie it on my hand and see how it looks on the hand and how big of the Rakhi it is. Here, right on my hand. I think all the time my camera was on zoom. Yeah. So you can make such Rakhi for your brother and then ask your brother for some big gift. Right? Okay, happy Rakhi making to you.